everyone, and welcome to another Soul Drives video, and welcome into the cabin of one of my absolute dream cars. This is a much lower entry price into the GT4 world than it is into a GT3, but I'm easily as much excited to drive this car as I was driving the GT2 RS, and that says a lot, because the 981 GT4 was always the one attainable dream car of mine, the one car that I could actually see myself potentially buying someday. I never thought that I would ever think about buying something like a GT3, so the 981 GT4 always appealed to me very greatly. And now finally sitting in one, finally driving one, yeah, I'm just super excited. Right off the bat, I have to say, the car feels already so great. I always wondered if the 981 GT4 kind of feels like a GT3, because of course it has GT3 front axles, it has GT3 brakes, and I don't know about the steering system, but it feels honestly like a GT3, which is exactly what I always wondered after I drove pretty much all of the 991 and 992 modern GT3s. And now I can happily affirm the GT4 is really everything I hoped it would be. Yeah. Heavy braking, downshift into the corner. Ah, it's so nice. First. And back into first corner. Brakes, you really have to step on the brakes. They are really firm, but feels exactly like a GT3, so for me that's a good thing. Actually also one of my all-time favorite roads in the Black Forest. It's just so curvy, so twitchy. You really think you're somewhere in the mountains. The car really likes to step out. Also, absolutely perfect amount of power. Close to 400 horsepower. Perfect for what we're doing here. lost a little bit of traction there, but it works so well. First gear corner. These downshifts.